Welcome to Flip Lesson 2 for the 6th grade. Today we're going to look at multiplying and dividing whole numbers and money. And we'll get right into this. It says, Casey wanted to enclose her backyard so her dog doesn't run away. How many feet of fence will she need for her backyard? So we have a picture right here of her backyard and, of course, her nice dog in her backyard. And we see that her backyard is a nice square, 12 feet by 12 feet by 12 feet. And so really what we're looking for here is we're looking for a perimeter. Because that's going to be the fence around. And perimeter can be solved in a couple different ways. You could take side plus side plus side plus side plus side, right? So you could add the four sides together. Or if we were to use multiplication, because we have a square here, because they're all the same side, we can really solve for perimeter by saying perimeter equals 4 times one side. Right? So if I were to plug that idea in, okay, so my side is 12 feet, and I'm going to multiply by the four sides that are there, I will get an answer of 4 times 12 is 8, or 48 feet. So, in the end, Casey is going to need 48 feet of fencing so that she can enclose her backyard. And so we see multiplying whole numbers in that way. Another way we can think about multiplication and division of whole numbers is by getting into the fact families. And this time, instead of having addition and subtraction fact families, we have multiplication and division fact families. And as you look at the numbers, you're going to realize which type of family it is, right? 2, 3, 6. All right, well, 6 is the largest number, so that must be the sum. And so 2 plus 3, well, that only equals 5. So, 2 times, that equals 6. So there must be a fact family for 2 times 3, which equals 6. And as you think hard about this, or not so hard about it, however you want to look at it, we can come up with this idea. We have this simple fact family. 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 2 equals 6. And then we reverse it. We want the opposite, right? 6 divided by 3 equals 2. And 6 divided by 2 equals 3. And so we have that idea. Very, very similar to the fact families with addition and subtraction. And now, of course, we have the fact families with multiplication and division. Speaking of division, let's work through a problem of division. It says, Shelly earned $8.40 at her lemonade stand. If Shelly sold the cups for 5 cents a piece, how many cups did she sell? So we need to divide to figure out how many cups she really sold, right? So we would start by putting this idea, this total of $8.40 in there, and we're going to divide money, in this case, like this. Now, thinking hard, right? Decimal on the outside of a division problem, we got to first move it over. So in essence, we get a 5 on the outside, so we go 2 on the outside, we got to go 2 on the inside. And so we can rewrite this problem so that it looks basically like this. 5 going into 840. And I'll just move that word up here off to the side in case you still need to write it. And I'll start doing my division down here at the bottom. 5 goes into 8 one time. 1 times 5 is 5. 3 goes down. 4 goes down. 5 goes into 34. 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30. 4. 0 down. And 5 goes into 40 8 times. And so in the end, we get an answer of 168 cups. Whew. We're speeding right along. Because we're at the end. Here's a sample. Find your fact family. Figure out, first of all, is it multiplication or division? And then, of course, you have a word problem to fix. That is lesson